People often say that first impression matters. So have you ever wondered question to ourselves, how can we create our first impression? So I can tell you. So giving our self introduction, we can make our first impression but good. So let's learn how to give self introduction. For self introduction, we have to know make a strong first impression, shows your communication skill, and helps you connect with people. Means if we talk confidently and no hesitation in our mind, we can impress others or make our first impression. Okay. Okay. Just imagine for building a building, we need. Can we build it from roof? No, we need the proper structure of it. So, like that, we have to make structure in self introduction also. First, greeting means good evening, good morning, or something else. Name, whatever your name, like my name is Gunjan. So, yours name is what I don't know. So, you can tell address, where do you live? In short, you can tell. Occupation means in which grade do you study, in which school do you study. This is important to tell you in self introduction. Hobbies, and the most important, if you don't tell to people your hobbies, how the people understand yourself properly, so it is important. So don't understand the long method, just say this. First, greet to anyone, name, address, occupation, family members means your father name, mother name, sister name, whatever. Then hobbies, I have already told you. Goals, what you want to become in your future, that you can tell here. Finally, closing line means closing line you can tell like this. This is all about me. Thank you. So our body language should be moderate. Means use pauses to emphasize key points. Means if you are telling something important in your self introduction, you have to get pauses. Then the people feels you are telling something right. We have to listen it properly and avoid filter likes. You know, you have to avoid this. If you don't avoid this, people will say, oh, he is just a normal person. But if you avoid it, the people or means person will impress you and you make first impression. And you have to show trust on them. Means you have all knowledge, you have to show like this. Controlled hand movement show confidence, and don't do like this very much. You have to do in proper way. Means the people can understand what you are wanting to say. Pointing too much show aggression. Stand straight, shoulders show relaxed but firm. Means you have to stand straight and your shoulder be like this. Some people do like this also. So this is a common mistake we have to avoid. There are so many common mistake to avoid. So first is crossing arms. We don't have to crossing arms like this. It shows our nervous. We are nervous. So avoiding eye contact means we have to maintain eye contact with the people's audience. Fidgeting or playing with pen. You don't have to play with pen, paper, or something else. When you are giving your self introduction, just stand like this and tell your or say your introduction. Speaking too fast or too slow means someone have habit this. If he is speaking, so he speak very fast and he speak so very slow he speak. So don't do like this. Your voice should be in medium, not very high or not very slow. Over smile or laughing is unnecessary. So on the stage you don't have to laugh. If you laugh, the people will also laugh. Means uh, the person is not means serious about that. So why we have to serious? So you have to be serious. This is a simple example of student. I have told you the method, the name, where you are living, and your address, grade, or something else. This is also like that, but here is the professional is speaking. Student tell about their education, and professional talk about their jobs or something else. So difference is that there is no difference in that. The same method is given, and just record yourself and listen it carefully, get feedback from peoples, and just start to give self introduction clearly. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood this topic. Have a hilarious evening ahead.